I know trying to get a USA number in Ghana is really hard. Well, if you're watching this video, you are really lucky. I'm going to take you step by step on how you can get a free USA number to register your WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and other social media platform for free. We all know that TikTok, for you to get paid, you need to get a USA number to create a new account. So in this video, you are lucky, whereby you're going to get a free USA number to register your social media platform and also to get paid whilst you are using an international TikTok account. So my name is Hanson'sTech. If you are new here, try to join my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. The links are in the video description. Join them, and also let's get started. Remember, I'm not going to waste your time on this video. Okay, you can see my number on my screen right now. I use this app to get this free USA number. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe. Okay, and also the best part from this website is that this is for free. Okay, please make sure you do well to join my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. The links are in my video description. If you want anything, you can comment it in the comment section. And also, if this video works for you, make sure you subscribe. Okay, subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's get started. We are going to need two apps for this video. Okay, so if you are using an Android phone, open your Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, open your App Store. Okay, so let's jump into my App Store and let me show you the apps that you need to download into your phone for this free USA number. Guys, make sure you do well to subscribe to this channel. Okay, it's a new channel, so do well to subscribe and let's get to the top together. Okay, so first of all, we're going to download the VPN for our phone. Okay, so if you can check, I have a VPN on my phone right now. Okay, and I'm using it, but I'm going to show you the VPN that I'm using that's helping for me to get the USA number. Okay, so I was searching for VPN Pro Z Master. Okay, Pro Z Master. Okay, so this is it. So the first VPN you're going to see, so click on this one. You can see I have it on my phone already, so we can just choose this one. This is the VPN I'm talking about. Okay, so just open it. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can connect this VPN. Okay, it's very easy for you to connect, but I will show you. So if you open the VPN like this, you can see it's a subscription and everything over here. Just cancel it right here. You can see there's a cancel button over here. Just cancel it. They're going to take you here. So they say you see it's connected, or I'll disconnect it right now and I'll connect it again. Okay, so it's very simple. Let me cancel this and come back again to the VPN proxy. Okay, so I want to connect it before I continue on whatever I want to do. So make sure you follow the step by step on how I'm doing this. Okay, follow the step by step on how I'm doing this. So you cancel this and you tap on connect. They're going to take you to your settings for you to set everything up. Okay, so you can see now it's connected. Okay, so when you are done, you jump into your app store again and you're searching for this app called virtual sim. Okay, virtual sim. Search for virtual sim. Okay, so there's the virtual sim. You click on open and they're going to open your account for you. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel for me. The name is Hanson'sTech. Make sure you subscribe for me. Okay, and this is the next part. Okay, so we are going to use this virtual sim. Okay, if you jump into your app store, you're searching for the virtual sim, as I said. Okay, searching for virtual sim. Okay, so you download this to your phone. Okay, and you open it. So after opening it, this is what you're going to do. You are going to need a fresh email. Okay, so jump into your what you call Safari and you're searching for Gmail. Okay, searching for Gmail because you're going to create a new Gmail account. Okay, so I'll take you step by step on how this works. Okay, if you don't know how to create an email, this video is also for you, so stay tuned and let me show you how. Okay, so we are opening the mail for you guys to see. I'm going to take you step by step. So you can see you have continue on this one. So I forget my password, or you can go back like this. So I'm taking steps. So we are going to use another account. So we can see we have create account over here. We'll click on create right here. You can select for my personal use or anything. Okay, you add your first name. Let's say Dorothy Hanson. Click on next. Okay, select date of birth. Let's say 21st month April, year 1988, gender male, and you click on next. Okay, so let's take it. So you can see we have Dorothy Hanson for 485, or you can create your own Gmail. So you select the one that you like, you click on next and create the account. So after you are done, make sure you use that email to do it. So I have Hanson'sTech on my own. I have Hanson'sTech 02, so I'll use that one for the registration. Okay, and after you're done, make sure your VPN is on. Okay, and you open your virtual sim, you click on allow and you click on sign in with Google. Okay, you now make sure so you continue. Okay, so for this is whereby you are going to use the Gmail you use. Okay, so you use a new Gmail for this this part. Okay, so I'll add my new email, the Kwesi2802. I'll add it. I'll click on continue on, and here I'm going to fill in my forms over here. Okay, it's very simple. They're going to take me back to the virtual sim again for me to complete everything. Guys, make sure you subscribe, join my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. The links are in my video description. Join them. Okay, so you can allow your contacts to get. Okay, so here you add your name. You can add any name and any email right here, and you click on next. Okay, so you can see I had Jeffrey Wow, and I add any email to this, and I'll just click on next, and I'm good to go. Okay, so I'll click on next when I'm done typing my email. And if you are good guy, make sure you subscribe for this. So if you click confirm, right, you're going to see this is the number they gave me over here. Okay, this is the number they gave me over here. So this website is working really fine. Okay, and if you want more videos like this, make sure you do well to subscribe and like for more videos like this. My name is Kwesi28, and let me see you in the next video. Okay, also remember you can use this number to register your WhatsApp, Telegram, and other social media platforms for free. Don't forget that. Okay, then make sure you give me a subscribe if this works for you.